Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Saturday afternoon with a special weather blast update in terms of Hurricane Henri. The worst of the storm tomorrow will be well southwest and west of Boston. Although, that being said, we'll have to deal with some rain and wind locally, the potential for some flooding at the coast at the time of high tide, and there could be some scattered tornadoes here tomorrow afternoon. We're going to have to watch this very carefully. Let's check out watches and warnings. We do have a hurricane warning in effect from Rhode Island Sound to Narragansett Bay to Block Island Sound, the coastal waters from Montauk Point, New York to Martha's Vineyard. Winds could gust over 75 miles an hour, seas building at 14 to 19 feet. We do have a tropical storm warning posted for the Cape and the Islands and a storm surge warning in purple from Cape Cod to the Rhode Island coast. In terms of the latest satellite loop, this is a situation as of 11 o'clock this morning. Hurricane now, Andre, is located at 34.4 north, 72.5 west, 745 miles south of Montauk Point, New York. Top winds are 75 miles an hour, but the storm continues to increase. It's a minimal hurricane, category 1. Could become a 3 before landfall and then start to weaken. The storm is moving north-northeast at 14 miles an hour. Central pressure is 991 millibars or 29.21 on your barometer. Let's look at the latest loop from the GFS model. It takes the storm north-northwest. Oh, let's see if we can get this guy to loop again. Yep, I guess not, but it takes the storm. Like, only can happen to me. It takes the storm north-north and west and then curves it northwest to its New York City by midday tomorrow. So the worst, again, is going to be off to our west-southwest. All right, as we look at the potential for winds, this is off the GFS model. This is at about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Hurricane force winds coming in to southeastern Connecticut, the Rhode Island coast, perhaps into Fall River, the western side of Martha's Vineyard. And then by the time we get to about 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, very strong winds from Rhode Island to Connecticut. Another surge of hurricane force winds coming in to the Rhode Island coast. But notice the Cape, only 20 to 40 miles an hour. Same deal up around Plymouth to Boston to the North Shore. But I want to caution you, any shift in the storm track means all the difference in the world in terms of rain and wind. And speaking of rain, the heaviest rain is to be realized into central and western Massachusetts and Rhode Island. I'm sorry, into eastern Connecticut, where anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain. But in the greater Boston area, if you believe the GFS, it's a quarter of an inch or less. And same deal over the Cape and the islands. Not sure I totally believe this because we are going to see bands of heavy rain coming in from the east southeast, maybe with some thunderstorms, and that could drop over an inch of precipitation. Forecast for Boston goes like this for this afternoon: sun clouds, hot and muggy. It'll be 77 to 87. And then overnight, cloudy, becoming windy with rain developing late, temperatures in the 70s. And we are looking at the weather forecast for tomorrow, talking about occasional showers, maybe some thunderstorms around, very muggy. It'll be in the 70s with gusty southeast winds. Of course, we'll be here throughout the afternoon. We'll keep you posted. Till then, I'm Mark Rosenthal.